random errors occur due to variations in the conditions of temperature, pressure, humidity. Humidity is what? Water contained in the air is called as humidity, etc. Okay. While performing experiment जेव्हा करत असतो तेव्हा त्या एक्सपेरिमेंटची रीडिंग्स हे टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर, ह्युमिडिटी, सराउंडिंग कंडिशन्स वरती पण अवलंबून असतात. Those readings are dependent on temperature, pressure, okay, and all the surrounding activities also. And in those cases, there are temperature variations, pressure variations, humidity variations, and because of that, you may get again wrong reading while performing experiment. Okay, now you will say, sir, how to remove the random errors? You cannot keep room temperature constant forever. You cannot keep room pressure constant forever. Okay, humidity constant forever. That cannot be. That is very difficult to maintain exact constant pressure, constant temperature, all other parameters constant during the experiment. No, it is not that easy. So random errors can never be removed 100%. They can be minimized. Random errors can be minimized, but they cannot be exactly eliminated, because the name itself indicates that these errors are random errors. You exactly do not know why this error is occurring. If you know why this error is occurring, you can remove it. But these errors are happening because of so many parameters. Here I have written etc. Means what? There are many parameters because of which slight errors might be occurring during the measurement, and you exactly do not know the source of error. Error hoti hai, that's what we don't know. So you cannot remove it. Bola no, agree, disagree on the statement. Let me make the statement. Random errors cannot be removed 100%. They can be minimized, but cannot be removed 100%. Baka gammat hai. Yes. Small a for agree. Good. Yes. Yes. Very good. So write down. Random errors cannot be eliminated. Random errors cannot be eliminated completely. 100% नहीं करता है ना. But these errors can be minimized. These errors can be minimized by taking multiple readings. बऱ्याच वेळा reading घ्या. By taking multiple readings and then by taking mean in bracket average value. बरेच रीडिंग घ्या. 15, 20, 25 रीडिंग घ्या. Take 15, 12, take 15, 20 or 25 readings and take the average. that will minimize the error. That will minimize the error. Mean of all these readings. बरेच रीडिंग घ्या आणि त्या सगळ्याचं काय करा, परत एक ॲव्हरेज व्हॅल्यू घ्या, मीन व्हॅल्यू घ्या, ॲव्हरेज करा किंवा मीन व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करा. In this way you can minimize the, okay, in this way you can minimize the random errors. Up to this reply me in the chat box, clear and written. इथपर्यंत लिहून झालं का बघा, सगळं समजलं का बघा, आज काय काय शिकवलं. एरर वाला पॉइंट इंट्रोड्यूस करून दिलाय तुम्हाला मी आज. Yes, are things taught in today's lecture clear to all of you? Everything. A new interesting point we have started now, that is measurement errors or errors in the measurements. Okay, chalo, fine. So guys, in this lecture we are going to stop at this point. Remaining things we'll see in the next lecture. Chalo, bye bye everyone, have a very good day and nice day to all of you. Chalo, bye. Yes, enjoy. Yes, chalo, let me end the lecture.